All right. What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home. And in this video, we will talk about how you can make more money as a delivery driver. So I have this app here, Cashback at the Pump, and you can go ahead and download that. The link will be down in the description button. This will show you how you can get money for just pumping gas, okay? Before I go any further, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Desmond, and I make videos to show people how they can make money from home. Easy gigs they can do also, and just find ways they can make money online using laptop. As long as you have internet, laptop, phone, you name it, it's on here. And so again, in this video, we are talking about how to make money for pumping gas. So you download the app, okay, and then let's just say I click on this marathon at the top. What you want to do, you want to click on that. And as you can see, on this offer, they were paying 5 cents per gallon, okay? So you might be thinking, well, that's kind of low, all right? So I'll go into details on this. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on, excuse me, I apologize. You click on claim. You click on claim. And then it tells you for getting regular gas, you will get 5 cents off the gallon. Let me rephrase that. They're paying you the app is paying you 5 cents per gallon, up to 50 gallons. Okay. Now after you click on that, you had to click on. So you click on the button to claim, and then what you're going to do, you're going to pump the gas, and you get that receipt, and then you have to use a debit card or credit card. And what you do is you take that receipt, and then you see at the bottom here where it says upload, you want to upload that. And then after you upload it, it may take a day for them to get back. It could take a couple of hours, but what they will do is they will give you cash back. So in this example, you're getting 5 cents per gallon. So it's really easy to use, and I believe that you can do you can use it 2 times in a day if you're doing a lot of deliveries or driving around a lot. You can use it that way. Just to kind of go back, I've made $32 so far from using this app. And again, I mean, we've got to pump gas, so why not get paid? And then if you got reward points at a gas station, you can still use the reward points because that has nothing to do with this app in particular. And then the third way you can do it is if you have cashback credit cards. So that is how you triple dip at a gas station, okay? And and it's say like after you start doing it for a while, and then if you share with others, whenever they pump gas, you will also get 1 to 2 cents off of every gallon that they use for life. So that's where it'll start to add up. And again, the great thing about this, you're not selling anything. It's a free app, okay? You just go ahead and download that app. Use it, pump gas. Let's just say if you use it all the way throughout the year, towards December, you can use that to buy gifts for someone, or if there's another holiday or some vacation money you need on the side or whatnot, you can use it for that. So again, it's really simple to use. You just gotta download the app, claim your gas station, and after you claim it, click on the upload the receipt. And then after you do that, you wait to get paid. So it's real simple. Again, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can make extra money as a delivery driver. Again, thanks for checking out the channel. Looking forward to see you on the next one.